Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how we can use AI or ChatGPT for product managers. Okay, how can we set up a ChatGPT, ask it to act like a specific entity and then give us relevant responses. As discussed, whenever we are trying to use ChatGPT to set up a prompt engineer ChatGPT, we need three things. First, how it is supposed to act. What is the act going to be? Second, what is it supposed to do? And third, what is the desired output we want? So here, let's set this up here on ChatGPT, a fresh chat, and we are asking it to draft a PRD for a feature that allows user to import data for Google Sheet. So we are just looking out to generate a document that is going to allow users to import data from Google Sheets. Now let's see how it is going to create the report. So we have created the report here, product requirement documents. Feature, it has added the feature as well for us. Feature name, Google Sheets data import, owner, stakeholder, release, and the description as well, along with the goals, matrix, and user stories, functional requirements. So a complete end-to-end report that has been generated for us. So whenever we are generating a prompt or we are trying to configure it, three things to remember. So let's do it again. So first, how it is supposed to act. So act as a product coach. What is it supposed to do? So review the PRD and suggest improvements for clarity, structures, and impact. Review the PRD. So we have given the information how it is supposed to act. We have informed what it is supposed to do here. And let's give it an impact. And let's give a PRD as well. PRD, and we are passing the PRD finally. So finally, based on that thing, it is again generating a PRD for us. It is giving us the objective entire end-to-end reports generated in few minutes. Remember, when these reports are generated, these are raw reports. With raw reports, we mean that this is just the first draft. Now, once the first draft is generated, it is our task to go through this draft, understand if the response given to us is correct or incorrect. As it highlights here, ChatGPT can make mistakes, check important information. So we look at the report or we look at the output generated by this, we go through it and we start improving it. So we have read this thing. As a business user, I want to view daily, monthly payment summaries. We want to make changes to it. We select that much part, we select this, we ask this only monthly allowed, and we refine it. So when we start with the prompt, the first output that we are going to get, it is going to be a general output. Henceforth, so after generating the general output, next we have to start communicating to it, and we have to go on improving the prompt until we get what we need. Thank you.